this assignment. This is for the Photoshop Basics assignment, so this video should be in this assignment right here. You're going to open up Photoshop, and when you open it up, it should come up like this. And you want to click on, for this first assignment, you want to click on the Learn button. Right? You've kind of done this with Illustrator, so we're just going to do one, maybe a couple others in here. This is a little bit different from the Illustrator tutorials. What I want you to do first is do this, take a tour of Photoshop. So when you click on this, and make sure you have the Learn button. If you don't have this, let me know and I'll help you find it. Click on this, and what it's going to do is it's going to bring up a Photoshop document, and it's going to have a lot of different layers in here, right? And then it's going to show you and explain to you how to do some different things in Photoshop. So this is a great kind of beginning tutorial. Shows you how layers work, what you kind of know, but it also shows you some different features of the different tools. So what you'll do is you'll just click, like it'll give you instructions up here, welcome to Photoshop, and then you just read it and you click the next and experiment with it, okay? And it's going to tell you like what happens when you click on the eye logo, which you guys know that already, but kind of experiment with different things in here. It's going to ask you to do some color adjustments on some of the images. So I want you to manipulate this image, all right, and play around with it. And then when you are done, all right, come up here to File, and then you're going to go Save As. This is important, Save As, and you are going to save it as a PSD. That means it's a Photoshop format. So don't save it as a JPEG or a GIF or a TIFF or anything like that. I want it as a PSD. What that does is, so when you upload it, so when you're done here, I would put your initials. So I'm going to put my initials and put basic. Let's do PS Basics, because that's the name of the assignment. You always want to name it something so you can find it easier later. Again, make sure that's on Photoshop. Go Save, and then just click OK on this. And then what that does is I will be able, when I open it up, I will be able to see all these different layers and how you've manipulated it, okay? So I will be able to tell if you've changed some of the things. So play around with this, go through each one of the scenes. Once you are done, you are going to go back to the Photoshop Basics, and you're going to enter that Photoshop Basics assignment into the #1 Photoshop Basics assignment. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.